am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is 14 Principles of Management, which are given by Henry Fayol. Principles of Management. So, a principle refers to a fundamental truth. It establishes cause and effective relationship between two or more variables under the given situations. They serve as a guide to thought and actions. Therefore, management principles are the statement of fundamental truth based on the logic which provides guidelines for managerial decision making action. These principles are derived on the basis of observation and analysis, that is, practical experience of managers. Principles of management. So, here are the 14 principles: division of work, authority and responsibility, unity of command, unity of direction, interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, orders, equity, stability of tenure, initiative, esprit de corps. So, division of work. Work should be divided between the employees. Work should be divided among the individuals and grouped to ensure that efforts and attention are focused on special portion of tasks. Fayol presented work specialization as the best way to use the human resources of the organization. Authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility are together working. The concept of authority and responsibility are closely related. Authority was defined by Fayol as the right to give orders and power to exact obedience. Responsibility involves being accountable and is therefore naturally associated with authority. Whoever assumes authority also assumes responsibility. Discipline. Organizations should follow the discipline. A successful organization requires the common effort of the workers. Penalties should be applied judicially to encourage these common efforts. There must be followed or maintained discipline in the organization to work efficiently. Unity of command. Command should be given in a proper manner so that the worker will work properly. Unity of direction. Everyone should work in one direction so that the common objective or will be achieved by the organization. Subordination of individual interest to general interest. The interest of one person should not take priority over the interest of the organization as whole. Remuneration. Many variables such as cost of living, supply of qualified personnel, general business condition and success of the business should be considered in determining a work rate of pay. Centralization. Work should be centralized. Fayol defined centralization as lowering the importance of subordinate role. Decentralization is increasing the importance. The degree to which centralization or decentralization should be adopted depends on the specific organization in which the manager is working. Scalar chain. The chain should be maintained within the organization. The lower level, top level, supervisor and manager. These all are the in form of chain. So the information should be provided in a proper manner. Managers in the hierarchies are the part of chain like authority scale. Each manager from the first line supervisor to the president possesses a certain amount of authority. The existence of scalar chain and adherence to are necessary if the organization to be successful. Order. For the sake of efficiency and coordination, all materials and people related to specific kind of work should be treated as equally as possible. Equity. There must be equity in all the people. All employees should be treated as equal as possible. Then only the organization is going to work properly. Stability of tenure of the personnel. Retaining productive employees should always be high priority of management. Recruitment and selection cost as well as increased product reject rates are usually associated with hiring workers. Initiative. Management should take steps to encourage worker initiative, which is defined as new additional work activity undertaken though self-direction. Esprit de corps. Management should encourage harmony and general good feelings among the employees. So thank you guys for listening my PPT. These all were the 14 principles of management which were given by the Henry Fayol.